Hi there, so let's do one quick video to answer this question. So regarding sa taxes, what are the differences between a regular employee and independent contractors? So regular employee is entitled to any Philippine benefits. Therefore, yung salary mo, ma-deduct ka ng mga taxes, SSS, pag-ibig, lahat ng mga entitled taxes na entitled ang isang employee na dapat niyang bayaran. And for regular employee, they are also entitled to any Philippine benefits offered by the employer. However, for independent contractors, you are not entitled to any Philippine benefits. You are considered as self-employed providing their services, but you are not considered as an employee from that company, okay? So, with that being said, you don't have any taxes to pay, but you still need to pay them voluntarily. So, with that, buo mong matatanggap yung salary mo. So, walang deduction. So as for me, I am an independent contractor and binibigyan lang ako ng extra pay para bayaran yung mga taxes ko. So ang ginawa ko is I applied as a self-employed. So I am voluntarily paying for my benefits like SSS, yung pag-ibig, taxes, kay BIR and everything. So that is the difference between independent contractors and regular employees when it comes to taxes. So, summary lang, independent contractors, you will receive your full payment without any deduction, but you don't have any Philippine benefits. You are not entitled to any Philippine benefits. But for regular employees, you are entitled to any benefits offered by the employer and you have like a lot of deductions from your salary.